Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. Not long ago we talked about substance source and a couple of updates that have made their way to the guys at askNK. And today we are seeing some very amazing news. And I think I also made mention of this the last time where I said that the guys at Texturing XYZ are also going to try and collaborate with Substance, so you can do all those amazing skin painting and all those skin textures inside Substance. Because I know a lot of artists actually go out of their way to not do the skin texturing there in Substance, but they go ahead and maybe use something like Mudbox or maybe Mari or directly inside ZBrush to do all of those things. And now you can directly paint your stuff, your micro skin, in Substance Painter. And if you go over to the blog, you'll be able to read about the various type of micro skins that is available. One for the arm, one for the front, one for the back. There's also for the legs and for other regions of the body as well. There's also a very small help guide that will show you how you can, go ahead and section out the parts that you want to paint or the parts that you want to apply these textures to before you go ahead and start applying these textures. And then if you want to go ahead and play with these things, they are amazing. I think they have about 82 or less, or even more. I don't really know. I think you should go ahead and find that out for yourself within the Substance source. I think about 82 different skin scans that you can make use of, ranging from cuts to scars and crazy things going on here, guys. So let's just take a quick look at this so you can know what's going on here. And if we scroll all the way down, you will find out that you have different kinds of skins that you can make use of, and these skins are very related to various parts of the body. So it's a simple drag and drop, and maybe you can go ahead and customize depending on what you want to do. Like for example, you can see directly here we have different skin tones depending on what you want to do. I guess if you're into realistic texturing that has to do with skin, then maybe this is for you. Nonetheless, if you want to also have access to this, and if you have the Substance launcher, you would be able to directly see within the new assets that's here. And if you have this, you can use this for whatever thing you want to do. But definitely you need to have a Substance account. You need to have a Substance source account, and probably you need to have a license directly with the guys at askNK. So I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Is this something which you like? Is this something you've been waiting for? Tell me what you think about this. And if you like this video, simply give it a like, and don't forget to share with your friend. And if you're new here, it would be amazing if you can hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know once we drop a video. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial, review, free Friday, updates, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.